In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email template in Pipedrive. Let's start right from the beginning, inside your Pipedrive account. Once you're logged in, look over to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen and find the mail icon. This is where all of your email activity is managed inside Pipedrive. Go ahead and click that mail icon to open your email view. Now that you're in the mail section, we're going to create a new message, which will act as the base for your template. At the top, you'll see a button labeled New Email. Click on that. This opens up a fresh email composer window, just like you would use for sending a one-off message. In this email composer, we're not actually going to send anything yet. Instead, we're going to turn this into a reusable template. Look along the toolbar for the option that says Choose Templates. Click on that, and from the drop-down or menu that appears, select Manage Templates. This is the area where all your existing templates live and where you can create new ones and update old ones. Once the Manage Templates panel opens, look for the button that says Add New Template and click it. This tells Pipedrive that you want to create a brand new template from scratch rather than editing an existing one. You'll now see an editor where you can write the content of your email template. Before you start typing a generic message, it's helpful to personalize it using fields that Pipedrive can fill in automatically for each recipient. To do that, click the Insert Field button. This lets you add placeholders such as the person's name. For example, you might start your email with something like, Hi, person name, where that placeholder is inserted through the Insert Field option. When you use this template later, Pipedrive will automatically replace that placeholder with the actual contact's name, keeping your outreach both efficient and personal. You can continue building out the rest of your message, adding any other fields you need, such as organization name or deal-related information, depending on what's available in your account. Take a moment to make the wording clear and reusable so you don't have to edit it much each time you send it. When you're happy with the body of your email, it's time to save the template. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so you can quickly recognize it later, and set a subject line that fits the purpose of this email. Finally, click Save. Your new email template is now stored in Pipedrive and ready to use whenever you compose a new email.